would you hit me in the face like that? Make them stars go around my head and hit the floor. Y'all crazy. That milk be good. Yeah, it does the body good. Excuse me.